Hi, this is Mark the Happy Farmer. Today I'm printing some cable clips on my printer to use up every last millimetre of filament on the spool. These cable clips need to be flexible, so it's ideal for printing with leftover PETG. You can print them in different sizes for thicker or thinner cables, and as you see here I've used them on some USB cables. Let me know what you're printing with the last metre of filament on the spool in your printer and what type of filament you're using. I'll leave a link to these cable clips in the description and the comments if you'd like to print it. As I said, ideal for your leftover last metre of PETG.